Your wallet is about to feel the pinch, and it's not just about budgeting anymore. It's about making smart choices now to avoid bigger headaches later. With tariffs hitting goods globally and inflation creeping up, everyday essentials are becoming pricier and harder to find. Imagine walking into your local store only to see empty shelves or skyrocketing prices on items you used to take for granted. But don't worry, there's no need to panic. The key is to act smart and act early. By planning ahead, you can avoid the stress and uncertainty that comes with last-minute scrambling. This video is your no-nonsense guide to 10 essential product categories you should stock up on before May 1st, 2025. These aren't just random items, they're carefully chosen to help you navigate the challenges ahead with confidence. Whether you're looking to save money, create a safety net, or simply feel more in control, this list has you covered. So grab a notebook, take some notes, and let's dive into the must-haves that will make all the difference. Let's start with the basics, personal hygiene. It's something we often take for granted, but it's the cornerstone of health and well-being. In times of uncertainty, maintaining hygiene isn't just about staying clean, it's about staying healthy and prepared for whatever comes your way. Soap, toothpaste, toothbrushes, these essentials are non-perishable and easy to store. They're the first line of defense against illness and infection. By keeping these items stocked, you're ensuring that you and your family can maintain good hygiene, even during disruptions. Think about it. We use these items daily, often without a second thought. But imagine a scenario where they're suddenly unavailable. It's a small inconvenience that can quickly escalate into a bigger problem if not addressed. Having extras on hand means you're not caught off guard. It's not about hoarding, it's about being prepared. A well-stocked cabinet can make all the difference in maintaining a sense of normalcy during challenging times. Remember the toilet paper shortages? It was a wake-up call for many of us. Let's not repeat that. By planning ahead, you can avoid the stress and uncertainty of scrambling for supplies when they're in high demand. Stock up on shampoo, razors, and yes, toilet paper. These aren't luxuries, they're necessities. And when you have them readily available, you're not just taking care of your physical needs, you're also reducing stress and anxiety. It's about peace of mind. Knowing that you're prepared for the unexpected allows you to focus on what truly matters, your family, your health, and your well-being. This isn't fear-mongering, it's practical. Preparedness is about taking small, thoughtful steps to ensure you're ready for life's uncertainties. It's about being proactive, not reactive. A little preparation ensures your family's basic needs are met. Teaching children the importance of hygiene and preparedness is a valuable life lesson that will serve them well in the future. Take control of your supply lines and stay ahead. By organizing and planning, you're creating a safety net that can help you weather any storm with confidence. Clean, comfortable, and confident. That's the goal. Preparedness isn't just about survival, it's about thriving, even in uncertain times. Start with personal hygiene and you'll build a strong foundation for whatever lies ahead. Health is non-negotiable. Stock up on pain relievers, cold meds, and allergy meds. These fly off shelves during emergencies. Don't get caught empty-handed. A first aid kit with bandages, antiseptic wipes, and gauze is a must. Check expiration dates on meds and rotate your stock. If you rely on prescriptions, plan ahead with your doctor. Preparedness isn't fear, it's control over your health. A stocked medicine cabinet ensures safety in uncertain times. Electronics are lifelines, not luxuries. In today's world, they are the bridge between chaos and calm during emergencies. When the grid goes down, staying connected isn't just about convenience, it's about safety, communication, and maintaining a sense of normalcy. Whether it's checking on loved ones, accessing critical updates, or simply lighting up a dark room, electronics play a pivotal role in keeping us grounded. Start with power. Power banks, rechargeable batteries, and solar chargers are your first line of defense. These devices ensure your essential electronics stay operational when traditional power sources fail. Solar chargers in particular are invaluable as they harness the sun's energy, providing a renewable and sustainable power option. Keep these tools charged and ready to go, as they can make all the difference in an extended outage. Lighting is next. LED flashlights, headlamps, and lanterns are safer and more reliable than candles. They provide bright, long-lasting illumination without the fire risk. Headlamps in particular free up your hands, making them ideal for tasks in the dark. Camping lanterns can light up larger spaces, creating a more comfortable environment for your family. Communication is key. A weather radio keeps you informed about changing conditions, emergency alerts, and updates from authorities. These radios are designed to work even when cell towers are down, ensuring you're never out of the loop. For more advanced communication, a ham radio can be invaluable. It allows you to connect with others over long distances, share information, and even call for help if needed. Learning the basics of ham radio operation can be a lifesaver in critical situations. Small appliances like a hand crank can opener are often overlooked but incredibly useful. They ensure you can access food supplies without relying on electricity, making meal preparation much easier during an outage. A portable stove is another essential. It allows you to cook meals, boil water, and maintain some level of normalcy even when the power is out. Look for models that are compact and easy to use, as they're perfect for emergencies. These essentials keep you connected and comfortable during outages. They help you maintain a sense of control and preparedness, reducing stress and ensuring your family's well-being. It's not about doomsday prepping, it's about smart planning. By assembling a well-thought-out kit of electronics and tools, you're equipping yourself to handle unexpected situations with confidence and ease. A few key electronics can make all the difference. They provide the power, light, and communication you need to navigate through challenging times. Stay informed, stay connected, and stay prepared. With the right tools and a little foresight, you can turn a power outage from a crisis into a manageable inconvenience. Your vehicle is a lifeline. Keep it ready. Stock up on motor oil, wiper blades, and air filters. Learn basic skills like changing a tire or jump-starting a battery. A roadside emergency kit with jumper cables, a tire inflator, and tools is essential. Tailor your kit to your climate. Chains for snow, water for heat. Preparedness saves money and ensures mobility. Take care of your vehicle and it'll take care of you. Durable clothing is a must. Sturdy boots, waterproof gear, and a warm coat are essentials. Invest in quality. It lasts longer and saves money. Layering is key: moisture-wicking base, insulating mid-layer, waterproof outer. Practical clothing keeps you comfortable and protected. It's not about fashion, it's about function. Cleaning supplies are essential for hygiene and health. Stock up on laundry detergent, dish soap, bleach, and sponges. Disinfecting surfaces prevents illness. Concentrated solutions save space and money. A clean home boosts physical and mental well-being. Don't overlook these unsung heroes of preparedness. A well-stocked toolbox is a game-changer. Start with basics: hammer, screwdrivers, pliers, wrench, tape measure, and utility knife. Add specialized tools like a cordless drill or pipe wrench as needed. Keep a variety of screws, nails, and bolts on hand. Tackle minor repairs yourself and save time and money. Food and water are non-negotiable. Store 1 gallon of water per person per day. Stock shelf-stable foods like canned goods, nuts, and granola bars. Don't forget seasonings and comfort items like chocolate or coffee. Proper storage ensures longevity. A sensible supply keeps your family secure in emergencies. Power outages disrupt everything. Be ready. Consider a generator or solar panels for backup power. Portable power stations can keep essentials running. Stock up on LED lanterns and flashlights for safe lighting. Preparedness ensures comfort and safety during outages. Don't overlook home essentials. Stock LED bulbs for energy-efficient lighting. Prepare for heating or cooling needs based on your climate. Keep a weather radio or ham radio for communication. Entertainment like books or games boosts morale during tough times. Small steps make a big difference in preparedness. Preparedness is a journey, not a sprint. Take stock, make a list, and start small. Change is an opportunity to build resilience. Even small steps create a more secure future. The future belongs to those who prepare today.